Well, it's time for the One Piece per follower One Piece build. But first things first, we got to see how many new followers and supporters we got.
And starting with YouTube, we got 656 subscribers now, which is a total of 35 new subscribers. So thank you to all these new subscribers, and go follow these guys. Now onto TikTok, which is still in the lead, but not by as many as last time. We now have 2,630 new followers, which is 46 new. So let me show you some more people you should be following. Thank you to all of them. So if my mathematicals are correct, 81 is our new total of pieces that we get to put on today. Let's get it going.
Here's where we left off on the last one. So we need to get started right here. This is pirate music. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Because YouTube doesn't have any songs that go over 1 minute. Boom, 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 boom. This is the song that you get. It's a pirate song. Pretend it's a pirate song. Boom, 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 boom. This is a long video. Boom, 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 down, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Really wish YouTube had longer songs. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. All right, let's get our last couple pieces on in the background. So we're almost done. So I just need a few more supporters and followers, and we'll have this thing finished. So time to put it away, and we'll see you next time. And thanks again to everybody who's joined me and who might join me in the future. Thanks for watching.